Hi, I'm the Herb Guy. Black Walnuts Part 3, Straining and Drying. Okay, so I usually only let these set for about 12 hours in the water. Now, the water is kind of gross, so I'm going to strain it out. We don't need it for what we're doing next. As you can see, they stayed mostly green. That's good. We're going to get these immediately into the drying racks. Stay tuned for a moment, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here they are on the racks. We're going to put them in our dehydrator. Now, this is a variable temperature dehydrator that we have. So I'm going to put it on 135 degrees, and we're going to sit it there for about 12 hours. If you have a regular dehydrator that does not have variable temperature, just put it on there, 24 hours, excuse me. Just put it in your dehydrator for about 24 hours. Now, the reason why we put them in water for 12 hours is oftentimes walnuts will get a worm, that moth, in it. So you put them in water for the 12 hours, and they'll come out of the holes, and they'll float to the top of the water, and you can pour them out. So here we're gonna do this for 24 hours. We're gonna come back. So tomorrow, instead of doing a video like this, I will pull up a medical study video, and we'll do a medical study in regards to black walnuts. It'll be part 4, but the reason why we're saving the black walnuts. So if that sounds like of interest to you, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If this particular project is helpful, let me know also, because that helps me provide better content for people. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can join us tonight at 7 p.m. for tea with the Herb Guy, and we will be doing a flowering tea ball and talking for anywhere from 1 to 4 hours. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.